Our modern societies have made women as a worker bee. Like through empowerment, what we have done is that you work so hard, you go out and earn money, you take care of children at home, you take care of the house, a superwoman, you can do this, you can do that. As a result, every woman has become that worker bee. And then we keep saying more and more by those depiction of creating Ma Durga like hands. In one hand she's holding her laptop, in one hand she's holding her utensils, in another hand she's holding a broom, and those kind of things. The idea is not for women to become a worker bee, right? As a result, what has happened is that the core feminine qualities, the strength of intuition and creativity, that has gone faded, and that has gone somewhere in the background. Yes, she tries to take her moment to become creative here and there, but then those are the ultimate quality. Like, I have seen so many examples of people, of couples around me, where in a couple where the woman has the ability to think, has the ability to dream, that couple grows a lot, right? You have to allow your woman to dream, you have to allow your woman to have a say, because she can take you to places where you wouldn't even have thought of. Instead, what has happened is that we have made masculine as the ultimate thinker and the decision maker in the family, and we're making women, we're making her busier and busier day by day, in doing this, in doing that, and uh, just taking away her ability, her core ability of intuition and creative thinking. This is something that I want you to think deeper on. Like, if you are, if you want to truly expand in your life, if you want to do the unthinkable, you have to go and talk to a woman. A woman is very intuitive, a woman, and I would say divine woman. And when I say divine woman, I mean that somebody who has come face to face with her raw instincts, right? If you go and ask somebody who is again like a worker bee, very busy at home, at office, and this and that, if you go and ask, that person will give you a very masculine view of things, right? If you want an unimaginable view of things, if you want a very creative idea, if you want to think big, like big in the sense that today you're probably making like a crore, and then you want a dream that is so purpose driven that can help you earn like 5 crore, go and have a conversation with your girl, go and have a conversation with the women in your life. They'll give you ideas and dreams which are not just creative, they are very purpose driven, divine. And I would constantly say, go and talk to divine women. And that is why the seers, the people who were labeled as witches, they have that kind of intuitive ability. They can look through the ether to see where the possibilities go, right? So that is that every woman should come in touch with that intuitive energy. Do not make yourself a worker bee if you want to truly enjoy your core basic instinct. Try to be a queen bee, right? Bye. Take care.